thinking dung beetles are boring. They're actually superstars of the insect world. Did you know dung beetles can lift over 1,000 times their body weight? That's like you lifting a stack of elephants. And they can roll poop balls as big as oranges. Gross, but awesome, right? Guess what? Some dung beetles navigate using the Milky Way. They're like little insect astronauts. They even clean up animal poop, which helps keep our planet clean. Talk about nature's janitors. There are over 6,000 types of dung beetles. And some are so colorful they look like tiny jewels. Plus, they can bury dung 250 times faster than you can blink. Now that's speedy. Next time you see a dung beetle, give it a thumbs up. They might be tiny, but they're mighty heroes of the bug world. Stay curious and keep exploring the cool, weird world around you. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye for now, friends. See you on Alpha Generation.
Alpha Generation.